later.
Okay. See you later. See you later.
Good morning, Anne.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
We're on time today.
Well, we missed the warm-up, but...
We were not on. Rocking the new Nano 12s. We're not prepared for today. I'll give you my comprehensive review of these Adidas's. Do you like my gym shoes?
Yeah, I love it. Where? Why wearing them?
Lack of preparation.
Oh, that's not like you. It's Christmas Eve.
Wait, do the face.
Nailed it.
Nice.
Nailed it.
I got my elf socks on there by far, look. They are 100% the best Christmas socks. The machine isn't even on, look.
Oh no! Oh,
The machine
no.
isn't even on.
We've fallen at the first hurdle.
Yeah.
I have no idea what's going on. Apparently we're doing a team 2K. I don't know.
Strokes
We're going as a 3. We've got what's that old rower called at paper?
Pat.
Is it?
It is. Pat the rower. I always make the joke.
Are you feeling Christmassy?
About 2K, Adam.
In 2K intervals?
Let's go.
Adam, give me Jasmine back.
I'm really not. I'm carrying lots of extra Christmas mince pies.
I asked Adam what he wanted for Christmas. He said Jazz.
You've got to carry me back, Craig.
No, you got to carry Adam. Go on, pick him up, Jazz.
You're so long.
Run, Jazz, run.
Yes.
Yes.
Giddy up, Jasmine.
Come on,
Giddy up.
It looks rather funny. Living the dream.
You nearly...
No, look at his feet. Look at his feet.
You're gone from here.
Not a good smell in the morning.
Not good.
Craig did not fart.
This hurts.
Yeah, I know. We know. Now what?
Now what?
This reminds me of that song like.
Oh my god.
Team, we just met some Australian subscribers all the way in Nottingham. What's your name and where'd you come from?
Shane from Canberra, Australia.
Emma, same place.
Yeah.
And Freya. Oh,
And Freya.
Nice.
And now we have no excuse because we have had an invite to come and stay, so we have to go to Australia.
I've got a dad
Just
joke.
saying.
I've got a dad joke.
You got a dad joke?
I got a dad joke.
Oh no. Yeah, come
I
on.
love my dad. Why do cows have hooves? Because they're lactose. They're lactose. They're lactose.
Nice. Definitely on my standard.
You know it's a good dad joke when you get that reaction from the daughter. Spot on.
Alright team, it says part of the team and it says we don't quit. So 2 American subscribers.
Are you talking about them because they're Australian?
No, 2 of our American subscribers made these for us and sent them to us because they thought they were going to see us at the games. They took them to the games to give us to the games, but they gave us to them by post, so we can give them out to subscribers when we meet. We don't quit badge, part of the team badge. Then you can put them on your bag.
It's
Look.
so cool.
A bag's the white one.
Good.
First ones in the team to get it.
Yes!
First ones in the team to get
Aussie,
it.
Aussie, Aussie.
Other than Adam, but Adam doesn't count.
Yeah, Adam doesn't count.
He's like, what now?
It's 5 cent. I've just been rocking it on my bag, yeah.
Jeff now.
Hey Jeff, don't quit.
Jeff has got more fans.
T-shirt in the right way. Don't forget to put your t-shirt in the right way.
Tip of the day.
Tip of the day.
Thanks guys. See you later. Bye.
Look at that depth. What? Adam used to be the most inflexible person I knew. Now he's got good squat. You can see Jazz in that top window.
Craig, who's the last one?
Yeah, yesterday we did.
Hello.
Hello.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas to you. It's his first time using a heavy double under rope.
Pressure. I got it.
The man nails it. So much different though, right?
Oh man, that first one, my arm. All over this shit.
You do not realise how much like a couple of grams make a difference on the double under rope. John gave me that from America. When I get the chance to use it in a double under workout, I just chuck it in because the forearms and the shoulder pump is like unreal. You go back to a normal rope and it doesn't feel like you have a rope in your hands.
Great. Can I try it?
Yeah, try it. No. Swagging it out.
Yeah. Nice. We could have broken the 500 mark if you hadn't have fallen off.
There's always one.
Jumping pull-ups, right?
There's always
Savage
one.
Adam.
Look at these. They're shiny.
They're really dirty though. They're really
Oh my
dirty.
god, they're such a pretty
like
colour.
metallic.
Is this my Christmas present?
No.
I'm liking these ones. I think they're interesting to wad in.
Yeah, these were alright actually.
He was like, I'm so ill prepared. I was like, you're not
Gonna rock
in
up
the
in some
car.
Adidas.
Bringing back those old football days. I used to live for football. Every Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night, Friday night, game night, Saturday. Woo. Watch this. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it.
Has he though?
How's he doing?
I still got it around the world. Took me ages to learn that. I haven't done it in about 7 years.
That's true.
Somebody stop him.
Crossfit.
He's on fire.
CrossFit. Is it just aim? But it's spelt differently.
He's just got an eye in it. You're as bad as your dad.
You know what time it is when the tape goes on the thumb, we're lifting. Jazz, so we haven't done any Christmas shopping yet.
I have done some Christmas shopping. Craig has done, he's got my presents to be fair. But Christmas is a time for giving to others.
This is how much shopping I've done, Jazz. Kiss him. Yeah, so quick, I really want to lift. We're doing a complex.
We can lift, but just lift quickly. On a time frame.
We're on a time frame. We're lifting on a time frame today.
Can I go for
Yeah, go for it.
Thank you.
We have to say goodbye to Adam because he's got a 4-hour drive home.
To his grandma's.
Yeah, that's great.
Not home.
Thanks very much.
Bye, Adam.
Bye, Craig. Bye, team. It's been a pleasure.
Any final words?
Living the dream.
Nice.
As always. Nice.
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 And we've roped Dane into doing a complex with us. Some speed. What the hell is it?
Get loose. Better than I am with football.
Just standard.
That mobility. Mobility for days.
Mobility for days.
This is the 12:35 alarm to get into town for 1 to make sure.
I could spend all day every day just lifting, but today we've got to get presents for other people.
Have a good day.
Power clean, squat clean, 2 front squats and a jerk. Sound like a book.
The front of my shins so tight. I think it's after all the running in every ward the last few days.
I like complexes, there's more to think about. Also recently, you guys have probably been seeing it, I've been doing a lot more lifting in just flat shoes. Just because I feel like in a lot of competitions there's not that many events where you can wear lifting. Because it usually involves other movements, so get used to lifting in flats, pretty heavy, pretty often. And it will help you in the competition times.
Front squats take your breath away, don't they?
Yep. And then maybe a bit banded for the jerk, yeah. Look at this is science. Dane's knee sleeves. One of them is a size out. No reason. Style.
No style.
Style. This one will be heavy. 120 kilos on the bar. Nice. The power clean is deceptive. Like you do the power clean like, okay, yeah, this is okay, and then you do the squat clean like, freak, the bar's heavy. Yeah. And then the 2 front squats gash your legs, and you lose the drive for the jerk. Dude, this is fun. He's belting up. Here comes the belt. If the style couldn't get any better, it's gone leopard print. Nice. Yeah, oh nice. How long we got, Jazz?
I don't know. 10 minutes.
1:30.
What's that count? What's that been like?
Judge, is that power clean or squat clean?
We'll check the video after.
Deep breaths. Was that a power clean or was it a squat clean? Nobody knows.
Drove me down.
And the verdict was?
It was a squat clean.
No.
Should be at my size.
The power clean felt really good, so I'm going to try 135. My PB is 130, which was what I just hit. Add 5 kilos, why not?
Did you just do that entire complex with your power clean 1 rep max?
Yes.
But then that is not your 1 rep max, is it? Come on now. That was too easy.
That was confidence, yeah. I power cleaned 130 before and knew I can do it. That's when you get to a point where you're like, oh, I don't know if I can do it. I've changed my mind, yeah. What do you say?
Change of plan, team.
Yeah. Instead of going with the 2.5 and jumping 5 kilos, I've got 0.5. So this is 131. But this is still a PB. Just pretend it's 130 and then there's no worries, isn't there?
I caught that quite high.
There you go. That'll do for today. Christmas PB. Hey.
Michael Jackson clean.
Oh, you did, right on your toes.
Look at that, bang on the alarm.
Oh my god. Now I'm going to let the side down and do 1 more rep.
No, you're not. Oh, so you're the one that's now doing the time. Oh, I see how it is. What was that?
15, 13, 14, 5, 50, 2.5. Nice. Thanks. That's pretty good for me. I think that's probably a power clean, PB. How much have I power cleaned before?
I don't know. Sam.
Brand, bro. Repping the brand.
Hey, I miss Sam.
Ah, who else would it be with that strong northern accent?
Yeah, who else would it be? He's repping the brand.
Bro. Repping the brand. Repping the brand.
It sounds like something you put some techno music to and just repping the brand, bro, repping the brand. That is clever, isn't it?
So clever.
Just roll the weights onto a plate and then you can just undo it more. She's not just a pretty face.
Life cheat.
Yeah. Oh, you're doing it wrong the whole time. Look at it, so efficient.
Efficiency is the key.
We have to get out of here and we have to shop.
Now we're going to write. Yes.
Thanks for lifting with us.
So now we're going to write something horrid up.
And that's on that note, it's time for us to. Hey, hold on.
Oh yeah!
Hey, kill him. I did. It's the second time I managed to do that.
Thanks so much for having us.
Today, bro. Ciao.
Bye.
I know it's only like a small PB, right? But every time I make it, yeah, exactly. Oh. Every time you hit a new PB, it's going through that mental barrier again. Power cleans. Hold on, Jazz. Can you hold this camera quickly? Oh, I've got a blooming leg. This keeps happening, and this doesn't.
He's
look
needed
good.
to buy a new one for.
This never looks
How long
good
have you
when
needed
this.
to buy a new one for?
Team, this literally, right? Will be. Hold on. This literally, you'll be walking around with the camera, and this will land on the floor like this, and it just looks a bit dodge.
No. Bad news.
Looks very dodge. Power cleans for me. I'm so comfortable being powerful and catching it here. Anytime I try and have to catch it here, I'm just not comfortable with it. So I think, obviously, as the weight increases and I have to catch the bar a bit lower, I need to practice catching it a little bit lower. But 131, a new PB. It's confidence. Confidence is a huge thing in CrossFit. You can see how easy the 130 went up because I've already done that in the past, and I was like, yeah, you know, done this.
As soon as you knew that it was going to be a PB, mental game shot.
Yeah, I love that heavy rope. 100% would recommend a heavy rope if you want to condition your double unders. Because when you go back to a normal rope, whew, it's like you're playing with string. If you want solid forearm and grip gains and shoulder gains, heavy rope. Right, now we got a Christmas shot. Well, hey, I'm so excited. Everyone's so excited.
Wait. Oh, bloody hell, I just whacked my head on the bar. That hurt. Lock in, you bag of crap.
Hey!
Sorry. Look, we've got a lot of elements to deal with right now in the car.
Yes,
the bloody
look.
barbell's still in here.
Post-workout beauty.
Thank you, Jasmine, for remembering it.
Thanks, Jasmine, for remembering it.
That's okay.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Do you want chocolate?
Oh yeah. Did you steal those out of the celebrations box that was in there?
Well, I took them, but then I asked if I could have them, and they said yes, so it's not stealing.
Technically.